Today we are going to be going over the Behavior tab in Big Data Analytics. In the Return Visitor Frequency section, we can see that the majority of this site's visitors are first-time visitors, followed by a repeat visitor in under 24 hours. New visitors also get the highest RPM for this publisher. But if we look at EPMV, we can see that it is actually users who don't visit until 61 to 120 days that actually earn this site the most money. These users also have more engaged page views for a visit than first-time or even second and third-time visitors for this time period. In the New versus Returning tab, we can compare the activity between new versus returning visitors. Here we can see that the majority of visitors are again new visitors. We can see it broken down by day for the time period we have chosen. Some things we can do with this report is compare each of these against a different time period to see how one compares against the other. In this scenario, we can see that a lot of the metrics improved from June to July for both return and new visitors. As you can see, EPMV is down from June to July, which is not a surprise because ad rates typically drop from quarter to quarter. In navigation bounces, we can look at, overall, how the site is doing with navigation bounces and compare it to another time period. You can also see it broken down by each page and how the page views, engaged page views, average page duration, average page engaged time, page navigation bounce rate, and percent of exits are performing. As with any of these reports, you can always add a filter to better segment what data you want to see. For example, we can include a filter that will only show us pages with page views over 500. Lastly, in visit depth, we can see how many pages deep visitors get. Visitors who visit only one page on this site earn it the highest revenue, but visitors who visit 3 pages earn this site its highest EPMV, or overall session revenue. Additionally, we can add in another dimension to dive deeper into the data. In this example, I am interested in knowing the age of people who visit this site and how many pages they visit. When I sort by age, we can see that younger visitors tend to visit 0 to 1 pages, while older visitors visit roughly 2. If we sort by EPMV, we can also understand that visitors with known ages of 35 to 44 provide the site with its highest EPMV.